My name's Daniel Johns. I work for ASI Solutions. We're a national company in Australia, been around for 35 years. We've got a long history in dealing in education, government and corporate space in Australia. We've got a very diverse range of security portfolios and environments. My Security Operations Centre needs to manage both on-premise environments, cloud-hosted environments and environments within data centres. We made a strategic decision a couple of years ago about which security partner we wanted to go with. We decided that for the ease of administration and for transparency across the platforms, it was important for us to use a platform player. We decided to engage with McAfee at that stage, and it's really paid dividends. Three main products that we would use in our customer environments would be EPO, endpoint protection and web gateway. We do have SIEM deployed at a couple of larger environments, but most definitely the endpoint and web gateway gives us the most benefit. A good day in our Security Operations Centre, I guess, would be where there is no security incidents at all. It's interesting that since we've employed the McAfee suite of products, we're seeing a dramatic decrease in the number of security incidents, so we're seeing more and more good days as time goes on. Bad day in the SOC team really is where we have a number of security incidents in parallel. Thankfully, since introducing the McAfee product suite, we've reduced the number of incidents at least 75%. Yes, so yes, definitely our company's moved away from prevent and detect areas to assess, correct and detect, mainly because we've been able to put in the products to give us that visibility. EPO and SIEM have been invaluable to our teams to be able to detect incidents and assess the environment on a day-to-day basis to see what the baseline is, and then when anything deviates from that baseline, we can start reacting to it before it becomes a problem. We've seen within our security teams in our Network Operations Centre that having an integrated platform player means that we've reduced the number of consoles that we need to monitor. The administrative overhead required to manage our customers has dropped significantly, and we're able to manage more customers with the same number of headcount. 90% of the vendors that we're seeing come across now are all cloud-based, have a cloud focus. More and more these products are adapting to work on applications as a service, platform as a service, as opposed to your traditional on-premise type environment. By employing data loss prevention measures, DLP plays a really big part in making sure that we don't have any customer data sent out of the business so it's not compromised. And I think that product set itself will also adapt more to the cloud-hosted environments, be that AWS or Azure. We expect that we will follow the development path and roadmap of McAfee with those DLP products. And there's a lot of legislation that's been passed in Australia about data retention as well as compliance issues. We've managed to adapt our security models to make sure that data is as safe as possible. The cloud journey for ASI has been very much customer driven. The adoption of cloud has been driven in the last 6 to 12 months more by our customers finally getting their heads around the fact that it is a better return on investment, that's a lower operational cost, and that it is more secure than doing something on premise. What keeps me coming back to the office every day is the fact that I love my work. I love the team.